Hi guys, welcome to Tactive channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a fitness schedule in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login you will find here a search bar. Just click and write fitness schedule and press enter. After pressing enter you will find many fitness schedule template, which is almost 60,000, so many. So you have to just choose one and start customizing by yourself. That's up to you. Let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you like this template, now if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Here's your template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. So if you want to zoom this, just click on Control and up scroll. It will zoom like this, and you'll find here many different types of things like gym class schedule. If you want to change this color, just go here, text color, and you'll find many colors. Just choose this and it will be colored. If you want to change decrease the font size, just click on minus, it will be decrease. Click on plus, it will be increase. If you want to change the font, go here font, and you'll be suggested for many fonts. Just choose and it will be like this. Okay, so I'm making it decrease to adjust it with the frame. So here you can see 10 AM Monday power work instructor. You can change this timing by double click, backspace, it will be removed, then just write your time. 9 AM power work, you can double click and backspace, you can make it cycling. Here's the instructor, or you can write here yourself or myself. If you make the routine by yourself, then, or if you are suggested by the anyone, or if you have a guide, then write by my guide or myself, anything you can add. Here's the time, you can just change it by double click, and you can make it 11 AM to 12 PM. ABS track, you can make this thing push up. Okay, instructor, or if you want to change, just do that like this. Just double click and write sit up. That's up to you. I'm just showing you the basic tutorial. 3 PM. So easy. Just double click and editing. Swimming. Okay, so you can see here book now, and really it is tight. If you don't like these buttons, just double click, press backspace, it will be removed. Now you can see here the black background. If you want to change the color, just go here, text color, and you'll find many backgrounds. Okay, so change the color according to your choice. So easy. If you want to change this color too, just go here, cycling, make it red, or push up, make it green. Okay, any color you can choose. So after completing your work, how you can download it? Go share, you will find download, click on download, and you will be suggested for file type. Just choose one, and you can pick one and download here. Okay, so after completing download, you can send this work direct via mail to. How you can do this? Go share, you'll find collaborate link, click on anyone you can access, and anyone with the link. Here you will be find people with access the box. You have to write here the email address whom you want to share with, @gmail.com. If you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a gym schedule in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.